Watch how we solve your three biggest headaches: booking, tracking, and billing. No more sticky notes, no more spreadsheet chaos. Here's where you get a full snapshot of your business. At the top, we have the key metrics: payments due, bookings, customers, employees, and invoices, all at a glance. The recent bookings section keeps you updated with the latest appointments, all with one click. The Bookings tab is your go-to for managing all appointments. It's split into three powerful tools. Bookings list: view all current and past appointments with details like customer name, date, and status. Calendar view: get a full monthly or weekly view of your schedule for easy planning. The booking calendar keeps your schedule clear and organized. You can view your appointments by month, quickly see booking IDs, and jump straight to the current date with the Today button. Creating a booking is effortless with our guided step-by-step process. Start by entering customer details, choose the service, set the date and time, and finalize everything with a review. The Find Vehicle feature streamlines repeat customers, and you can always adjust details before confirming. This is the Customer Contact page, your go-to hub for managing customer details. Managing your services is seamless with the Service List page. Here you can organize and customize all the services your garage offers. Managing invoices is straightforward. Keep track of all invoices with details like reference numbers, amounts, and statuses, whether unpaid or overdue. Easily view more details. Managing your team is simple with the Users page. See team members, their roles, and when they joined. Update or adjust permissions with ease to keep everything secure and organized. Every system is bespoke and can be fully tailored to meet the unique needs of your business. Whether it's adding specific features, adjusting workflows, or integrating with existing systems, our software adapts to you.